All right, so we're gonna go ahead and collect some sample data just in case you were absent or yours didn't work out right. And we should be starting at 12 milliliters for our volume, and we're gonna record that starting pressure right here. So I am at I'm actually not at 12, so I'm gonna adjust it. All right, so now I'm at 12. And I'm just going to record what pressure, and you see how it fluctuates a little bit, so it's right around 98. 98 is close enough. So our first pressure value at 12 milliliters is 98. And then it says pull the syringe out until it measures 16 milliliters. And so think about what you know about Boyle's law and volume and pressure. We are increasing the volume right now. What do we expect to happen to the pressure? So we go up to 16, and we see when we do that, our pressure has decreased, and we are, try to be consistent. I'm anywhere between 78 and 79, so I'm going to write 78 kilopascals for our 16 milliliter pressure. Now if that pattern continues, we should see an even bigger decrease when we get down to 18. Let's see what happens. And now we're at 18, and we see that it did. The pressure is now reading right around 71. So I'm going to write 71. Okay, now we're going to go the other way. Instead of being at 12, which is sort of where it moves back to naturally, we're going to push in the plunger until we get to 10. When we do that, we see that we're right around 113. And then you're going to want to go all the way down to 6 at this point, so it's going to take a fair amount of pressure. And the directions say, take the measurement quickly to prevent air from escaping. So we're going to do that. We'll go down to 6. And we see we're at 153. So I'm going to go ahead and let it go and record 153. So that's my data. And I see that as the volume decreases, the pressure increases, and that follows what we know about pressure and volume. So now you want to make a graph. You're going to put volume on your x-axis, and you're going to put pressure on your y-axis, and you always want to include units. So we should put that our units for volume are milliliters, and our units for pressure are kilopascals. And you want to set up your scale, and if you count, you'll notice 10 lines going across and 10 lines going up and down. And so in order to, if you went by ones, you'd end at 10, and you see your volume goes up to 18. So what makes more sense is to go up by 2s. And then pressure goes, you have a low number of 71 and a high number of 153. If you go up by 20 each time, that'll make you end up here at 200. Okay, and I'm just going to help you plot your first point, and then you can finish this on your own. So at 12 milliliters, you're going to make a data point at 98, which is just under 100. And so you're going to plot all of these and either make a smooth curve out of it or a straight line, whichever occurs when you plot all your points.